Hello everybody, here we are again. So we have achieved a very interesting milestone, and if you want to know about it, please check out this video and you will see some details on what we have achieved and what we are going to be doing next.
You see this? 5 stations on the ladder, all at once. This is the moment the wooden shoe stops being a pile of wood and starts being a boat. Let me show you how we did it.
Thank you.
Now we have to clean, to arrange things, move around. There's space over there. It looks horrible. When you have a lot of space, you use it for shit. Yeah, now it's better, but still a lot of work to do. I moved all the station here, with the bow and the station number 5 first, because they will be used first, then in number order. Then I have to clean all these things here to create space. Okay, some progress. I still have some to clean here. I will remove all these here, and also I have to take away all the dust from the sanding and move that planer as well to the left. Now we have cleaned the most and put the table here. So and I'm working with the longitude beams on the ladder. I cut and sanded these longitude beams and started to put them together. The problem is it will be 8 meters long, and to get it straight I have to check with the line in the floor. The longitude beams are ready. This became 135 millimeters high. They, according to the drawing, should be 150, but it turned out to be 135 because I have to do them straight.
Hello again everybody, here we are. We're starting to build the structure that will help us put everything that we have been building up to now together. As you can see, here is going to go the bow. The bow will attach, will be set up here, and station 5 here.
Oops.
So, well, you know, we are not supposed to do this all by one person. This is a 60-pound bow, and it's really strong after all the work that it gave us to build, but now it's built and it's here, and we are just adapting. We are going to start with station from the boat to station 5 and then build on as we go. We'll be reporting back to you guys. We have to use a lot of shines to level this up. It's very important that the structure that starts building the whole thing up, putting it together, to be very leveled up. So we used shims, we used different techniques to make this work. We'll keep reporting on you, and this is beginning to get really fun. So today we leveled out all the ladder. We used as much pieces of wood as we could to level it all up. Then we set up all the guides to fix station 5 in place. We fixed station 5, and then we got the bow, and it's finally in its place. It's here, and we are going to be working in these coming few days. Station 4, 3, 2, and the final one to make all this section of the boat, or the structure of the boat, already set up to start working out with the rest. So we had shown you how we set up the bow. The bow was set up, and after that we install the 5 stations, from station 5 to the first one that will eventually come out. However, it's very important for us at this moment, or in the point where we are going to be finishing. So it's going to be very important for when we set up the stringers, and it will help us finish up the bow. Next in line is aligning the end of the bow with all the length of the boat. So we'll do the keel. So this is our next challenge. We have to align the keel with the end of the boat, and from there everything else will be measured. You have seen already our stations, they are done, but now we have to make sure that they go in the exact position where they have to be, so that we can end up these in a very nice way. Guys, we're going to keep reporting back to you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.